going on, you guys? It's your boy Brian Zera, man. I'm coming back to you guys with a brand new fucking banger, man. So it's been a minute. I know my last video has probably been like 2 weeks ago, going to 3 weeks. But today we do have a new install for you guys. It is a wide body front lip for a wide body. And make sure you guys check them out. I will be going over the website where I got it from. They did sponsor this video, so shout out to, I want to believe their name is called Ninte. I don't know, it's kind of weird. You guys go ahead and try to pronounce it. But let's go ahead and do the unboxing of my front Dodge Charger wide body lip. But as you guys can see, that is the company that did send this package out. Shout out to them once again. And we're gonna go ahead and unbox it for you guys, and we'll see what kind of lip I got. So yeah, make sure you guys check them out. Ninte. They did hook up your boy with the sponsorship. Pay attention in the description. You guys can get a discount code, and we'll go from there. Go ahead and open this bad boy up. I've been needing a wide body front lip for a minute. You know, I finally got one. But we did get a 4-piece wide body front lip. It is a 4-piece wide body kit. So I did go with the gloss black. And it should look clean. So this is a piece. Gloss black. Good quality. Feels good, actually. Not gonna lie to you guys. Go ahead and take the other piece out. I was gonna go with the carbon fiber look, but to be honest, I didn't know if it was really gonna look good on my colored car. And that's why I didn't go with the carbon fiber one. So we did go with gloss black, because I am gonna start doing gloss black accents all over the car. Here's another piece. This is the 4th piece. We'll decide if I add it on there, but go ahead and look at the gloss black, man. That shit really looks good, honestly. Ain't gonna lie to you guys. All right, let's go ahead and keep unboxing it. These are the 2 side pieces. Throw that out, we don't need it. So we're gonna go ahead and build this out for you guys real quick so you guys can see what it looks like. I'm pretty sure you guys seen almost every wide body Charger front lip, or any even narrow bodies. They're all the same design, but obviously this one's made to fit the wide body. They do have these in narrow body versions as well, so go ahead and check them out if you guys do have a narrow body scat, or even an RT with the 2019 with the scat body. This will fit. Okay, let's go ahead and piece it up. It's gonna go like that. Obviously it takes 2 bolts underneath, and then we'll go ahead and take care of that right now. But as far, that's how the wide body front lip is gonna look. Honestly, just picturing it right now, it's gonna look crazy. We're gonna go ahead and take off the black one that I do have. This is the regular pink lip that comes on it. It's standard when you order it, but I did do a PPF film all underneath this, so my paint isn't getting scratched. You guys will see when I pull it off that it's not even scratching my paint, because it does have the PPF film. Stay tuned. We're gonna go ahead and take this one off, get this one prepped, and ready to mount. We'll see you in a little bit. All right, guys, so we are removing the front lip. But yeah, the install shouldn't be hard. You guys will see we'll be able to knock this out pretty quickly. Remove the old one. So as you guys can see, there is paint right there, but you guys can't tell. I do have PPF film. If you look right here, you could probably see this seam right there. Can you see it, Danny? This seam. Hopefully you guys can see that I have a protective film right there. All right, you guys, so we are gonna go ahead and prep the surface right now. You know, detail spray real quick just to clean up the bottom. And I might have to go run and get some 3M tape, honestly, for the lip so it can stick better and hold better. So if I do, you guys will see me come back with some 3M tape, and we'll keep going. But let's go ahead for now, prep the surface. As you guys can see, splitter did leave paint transfer, so it does look like that. But don't worry, you guys, my paint is not actually messed up, as the PPF film, like I said. So it's actually protected and nothing got damaged. It just got the paint transfer on the PPF film because the lip was spray painted. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and piece the front lip together. That way you guys can see what it looks like. And let me start putting it together. These are the tools that they did come with. And we're gonna go ahead and start installing it. Not gonna go too tight. Just tight enough. Don't wanna strip anything out. You don't wanna tighten it too hard, like I said. So you guys, we did put the 4 bolts. It does only need 4. Go ahead and flip it around. This is what it looks like, fully assembled. And just the mock-up fit. Something like that. Let me know what you guys think. Alright, say less. Alright guys, we are gonna go buy the 3M tape, so we'll get back to you guys. If you guys see me dripping in soap, it is 100+ degrees in Cali. We'll see you guys in a little bit. So that's what we do need right there. 3M double-sided sticky tape. We are going with the skinny one. There is a thicker roll. We don't want that. We do want that skinny one. So I'm probably gonna go ahead and buy both of them just to have enough. And we're gonna go ahead and get a assistant help us out. All right, you guys. So we are heading back to the whip right now to the daily. But look how hot it is. Hopefully you guys can read that. 96, about to be 100 in a few more hours. So make sure you guys stay hydrated, have your water. If not, you could get a heat stroke. So make sure you guys stay safe out there. I know some of you guys live in like Arizona, Texas, etc. Wherever you live, it might be getting hot right now. Las Vegas especially, that shit crazy. Make sure you guys stay hydrated because you guys don't want to have a heat stroke. No sir, no can do. Go ahead and take a sip. Gotta love water, man. We'll see you in a little bit. All right, you guys, so I did go ahead and do the 3M tape on the lip. As you guys can see, I just laid it out like that. It is gonna give me the support we need to hold it up. On top of that, it'll give me the ability to put the screws into there once the lip's already attached. So we're gonna go ahead, as you guys can see, you guys see these sharp edges right here. They are gonna be the ones that are putting up right there. So make sure you guys line this up properly and don't rush it either. The outcome is not gonna be the way you want it. So we're gonna go ahead and take our time on this. We'll show you guys a little time lapse of us fitting it up, mocking it up. That way you guys can do the same. And yeah, like I said, these holes are already underneath, as you guys can see. Go ahead. That's where we'll be putting in the screws. And we're gonna go ahead and do that all along. They did give us the hardware. I will be adding some more self-tappers that I did buy my own. I'll show you guys the self-tappers that I'm using. But we're gonna go ahead and start the install. Hopefully you guys can see, this is the self-tappers they did give me. These are my own. We're gonna go ahead and do theirs first, and then we'll start doing mine. So you guys are drilling onto your bumper, so make sure you guys are drilling in the spot where you guys want. No, you guys do have to drill into your bumper. So if you're afraid to do it and drill into your bumper, then this mod ain't for you. Just keeping it real. But as you guys can see, these are the size self-tappers that I did use if you guys want to go ahead and use them. And their screws that they did provide for me are these little ones. They really ain't self-tappers, so self-tappers really secure it. So go ahead and make sure you guys swap out the hardware. As you guys can see, it's flush as well. And really love this product. Shout out to Ninte. Right there, once again, my sponsor. Make sure you guys check them out. We're gonna go ahead and bring the car down. But since it is gloss black, it does get scratched easily. We're gonna go ahead and take it down and show you guys the end results. We'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, guys, as you guys can see, the front lip is done, gloss black. Shout out Ninte. And yeah, man, hell of a product. Looks hella good. It looks good on the Widebody. But as you guys can see, I do have paint transfer for my other lip. But like I said, let me show you guys. I do have PPF film. As you guys can see, there's a seam here and a seam here that I did do myself. All this is PPF, so that should come off pretty easy. I'm just not gonna do it right now because it's 100+ degrees, but go ahead and check it out. Front lip. All right, guys, once again, make sure you guys check out Ninte. Link in the description. And yeah, man, let me know what you guys think of this install. What the scats looking like with the front lip. Probably gonna get side skirts next and a diffuser, but we got a big Toro right there. But go ahead and check this out. Shout out Ninte, link in the description. This was a quick, easy install, so make sure you guys check them out, but front POV. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned, watch my other videos, the past videos if you guys haven't seen them. Leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next. We out.